This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Greg Mcintyre. This property has been lovingly restored, with the first being 2 bedrooms, 1 bath with a new kitchen, all new appliances, hardwood floors, new windows and freshly painted. Also boasts a lovely wood-burning brick fireplace. The second building has a full bath, laundry setup, and a garage. With some finishes could add another bedroom, kitchen or studio. Sitting on 1 acre fenced with a new deck, covered porch and outdoor fire pit. Being sold as is. Home has split unit for heating and cooling. For more information, review the details below or contact Greg Mcintyre at 865-693-1111.